Hi and welcome. Today we'll be talking about this question that is often dreaded because it seems like the only way out is through guess and check. So there are 50 vehicles in a car park that are either cars or motorcycles. There are 170 wheels altogether from all these vehicles. So how many cars are there? Well, one way is we could just repeatedly try values of number of cars and number of motorcycles until we find one that matches 170. But perhaps there's a more efficient way. So let's start us off with some general knowledge. A car has 4 wheels and a motorcycle has 2 wheels. Pretty straightforward. So let's say that we have 2 vehicles and it comprises of 1 car and 1 motorcycle. There are altogether 4 plus 2, which is 6 wheels. But if they were both motorcycles, you'll realize that they will just have a 2 times 2, which is equals to 4. So notice that between these two numbers, there's an additional 2. So 6 minus 4 is equals to 2. This 2 tells us that there are 2 additional wheels like kind of attached to a vehicle because there is a car. What do I mean? So one way you can think about it is that let's say we just have 50 vehicles already. So something like this, and so on and so forth. Let's say that we force them to only have 2 wheels. So this is only 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, dot, 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 and so on and so forth. How many wheels would we have assigned? Well, it's going to be 50 times 2 because there are 50 vehicles. So that's 100. But that's not 170. So where did the remaining wheels go? In fact, they went to the cars. So let's find out how many wheels that is extra. So 170 minus 100 is equal to 70. So all these wheels are extra wheels that the cars have. And each car has 2 additional wheels. So instead of this being a motorcycle, to turn it into a car, you assign it 2 more wheels. And so on and so forth. So if we want to find how many cars there are, we want to find out how many of these groups of plus 2 do we have. So that's going to be 70 divided by 2, which is equal to 35. So this tells us that there are 35 sets or 35 groups of these additional 2 wheels. And we know that each of these sets belongs to 1 car. So this is the number of cars. This is the number of cars that we have, 35 cars. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.